In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check HTTP traffic in Cloudflare using security analytics. If you want a clearer picture of what is reaching your website, Cloudflare Security Analytics is a useful place to start. It gives you a broad view of incoming HTTP requests, so you can understand both normal visitor activity and potentially suspicious traffic. This is especially helpful when you are monitoring site behavior, reviewing unusual patterns, or checking whether unwanted requests are making it through without being stopped by standard security rules. To begin, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look through your list of websites and select the specific domain you want to review. Make sure you open the correct site, since all of the analytics you see will be tied to that domain only. If you manage multiple properties, taking a second to confirm you're in the right place can save time and avoid confusion later. After opening the domain, go to the Security section in the dashboard menu. From there, click on Analytics. This will take you to the Security Analytics area, which is the main dashboard used to inspect HTTP traffic for that site. Once the page loads, you will see an overview of incoming HTTP requests to your website. This dashboard is designed to give you a complete picture of traffic reaching your domain. That includes legitimate requests from real users, as well as potentially harmful or suspicious traffic. It can also show activity that was not automatically handled by your usual security protections, which makes this view particularly valuable when you need deeper visibility. As you review the information, pay attention to the overall traffic patterns being displayed. The purpose of this dashboard is to help you understand what kinds of requests are hitting your site and how much of that traffic appears normal versus unusual. If you are troubleshooting a traffic spike or checking for possible attack activity, this page can give you the context you need very quickly. A good tip here is to use this dashboard as a starting point for investigation rather than just a summary screen. When you check it regularly, it becomes much easier to notice changes in request volume or behavior over time. That's all it takes to check HTTP traffic in Cloudflare through Security Analytics. Log into the dashboard, choose your domain, open Security, then Analytics, and review the incoming HTTP request data to get a complete overview of both legitimate traffic and threats.